In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert the current timestamp in Notion in just a few seconds. This is a super simple but powerful trick that can save you a lot of time if you're taking notes, tracking work logs, journaling, or managing tasks inside Notion. Instead of manually typing the date and time every single time, Notion has a built-in command that does it instantly for you. If you're new to Notion, or even if you've been using it for a while, this is one of those small features that makes a big difference. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to insert the current timestamp. This can be any page at all. It could be a notes page, a project page, a daily log, or even a database entry. As long as you're inside a Notion page and you can type, you're good to go. Click anywhere on the page where you want the timestamp to appear, just like you're about to start typing a normal line of text. Now for the key step. On your keyboard, type a / followed by the word now. So that's /NOW. As soon as you do this, Notion will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to dates and times. This menu appears automatically, so you don't need to press enter yet. Just pause for a second and look at the options that show up. In the drop-down menu, you'll see different date and time-related blocks. Look for the option that shows the current time. This is usually labeled with the current date and time preview. Go ahead and click on the time option from the drop-down menu. The moment you click it, Notion will instantly insert the current timestamp right into your page. And that's it. You've successfully inserted the current timestamp in Notion. The timestamp will reflect the exact date and time at the moment you inserted it. This is especially useful for meeting notes, time tracking, study sessions, journaling, or logging updates in a workspace shared with your team. One important thing to keep in mind is that this timestamp is static. That means it won't update automatically as time passes. It captures the exact moment you inserted it. If you need a live updating time, that would require a different setup using formulas in a database. But for most everyday use cases, this quick /now command is perfect. You can repeat this process as many times as you want on the same page or across different pages. Just type /now, select the time, and you're done. Once you get used to it, it becomes second nature and can really speed up your workflow in Notion. If this tutorial helped you learn how to insert the current timestamp in Notion, make sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Notion tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.